We are in this building in Lincoln. Take a look at this. It's a vintage Westinghouse, but sadly it has been modded on the inside. It is still really cool to see the old fixtures outside. Take a look. It's got the old call button too. It says Westinghouse on the indicator. Pretty cool. And sadly, the inside's been completely modernized by Schumacher. But look what they did. They replaced the Westinghouse plate in the floor with a Schumacher plate. That's really funny. We'll go to B. B is locked. No, it's not. It just canceled my call. That's weird. The door is skinnier in this floor too. And the button is an Adams button here. Might have been modded with Adams before the original, or before the Schumacher mod. Wait, why is there no 4 on the indicator? That doesn't make sense. There we go. Yeah, what's going on? They forgot to program the 4 into the indicator. The lantern's upside down. Very nice. What a quality mod. Really cool to see the original fixtures though, on the outside at least. Would have been so cool to see it original, but we're gonna need a time machine if we want to see that. This is at 1040 Condos. Very neat. Anyway, that will be all.